I love the app. The app is great. It works smoothly. It's easy to find your location by just going down, clicking on directions. It automatically pops up on your Google Maps. Whenever you need to enter receipts in, you just go to your parts and service, enter it right in, take a picture of the receipt, put a little bit of description in there, hit save, automatically loads up. You don't have to worry about keeping receipts in your truck, flying around everywhere when you roll your windows down. Then you go back, enter in all the information for the truck, your description for the job, hit save, send it in. Within a few days, you'll get payment for the job. It's easy and simple. You don't have to worry about getting checks in the mail, and it automatically gets deposited in your bank account. When a job comes in on the app, you can have it set up to where it gives you an automatic notification. It'll pop up. You'll go to your app. You'll click to set the job. Once you set the job, that's when you can go in and enter whatever other information you need to, or find out any other information you need to get to the job and to do the job. Definitely recommend Crown Diesel for mechanics, especially roadside. If you're looking for a good company to work for, you make your own schedule, really. If you don't want to work, you just put on your app that you're not on duty. If you want to work, you put on duty. It automatically tells them what part of town you're in, so they can dispatch that call to you if you're nearby. It's the best company I've worked for, especially doing roadside, any kind of diesel mechanics.